Jupiter, a behemoth of our solar system, reigns supreme with its colossal size. Imagine a giant so large that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. This gas giant, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, is a swirling vortex of vibrant colors and powerful storms. One of its most striking features, the Great Red Spot, is a centuries-old storm larger than our entire planet. Jupiter's immense gravity holds sway over numerous moons, a miniature solar system within our own. From our vantage point on Earth, Jupiter appears as a bright, wandering star. However, beneath its serene facade lies a world of unimaginable power and scale. Its swirling clouds, whipped by winds that reach hundreds of miles per hour, are a testament to the energy that courses through this celestial giant. Jupiter's magnetic field, the strongest of any planet in our solar system, extends millions of miles into space, trapping charged particles and creating stunning auroras. Now, imagine a scenario, a cosmic dance of destruction, where this giant sets its sights on Earth. What if, through a cosmic twist of fate, Jupiter's path were to be altered, sending it on a collision course with our planet? Fasten your seatbelts, for we are about to embark on a thrilling, albeit unsettling, cosmic adventure. In the vast emptiness of space where celestial bodies waltz to the tune of gravity, planetary collisions, though rare, are a stark reminder of the universe's chaotic beauty. Imagine, if you will, a disruption in the cosmic order, a nudge in the celestial machinery that sets Jupiter on a collision course with Earth. This disruption could arise from a rogue star passing too close to our solar system, its gravitational pull throwing Jupiter's stable orbit into disarray. Or perhaps, a chance encounter with another massive object lurking in the depths of space, a cosmic billiard ball, altering Jupiter's trajectory towards an inevitable meeting with Earth. As Jupiter veers from its usual path, its presence would begin to exert a noticeable influence on our planet. The gravitational tug-of-war between the two celestial bodies would wreak havoc on Earth's tides, causing monstrous waves to surge across continents. The dance of destruction is about to reach its crescendo. As the cosmic drama unfolds, Earth finds itself ensnared in Jupiter's gravitational clutches. Jupiter's immense gravitational force would begin to strip away Earth's atmosphere, molecule by molecule. The once familiar blue sky would give way to the blackness of space, as the air we breathe is ripped away into the void. As Earth plunges deeper into Jupiter's gravitational well, the tidal forces would reach their peak, stretching our planet to its breaking point. Imagine Earth as a rubber band stretched to its limit, the tension building until it finally snaps. The ground beneath our feet would become a churning sea of molten rock as Earth's crust buckles and heaves under the immense strain. Earth, once a vibrant blue oasis teeming with life, would be transformed into a hellscape of fire and brimstone. In the final act of this cosmic tragedy, Earth, now a mangled and molten wreck, would make its final descent into the heart of the gas giant. As Earth breaches Jupiter's cloud tops, a kaleidoscope of colors would greet our dying planet. Swirling bands of ammonia and water ice clouds, painted in hues of red, orange, yellow, and brown, would dance around Earth, a macabre farewell from the cosmic giant that has devoured it. As Earth plunges deeper into Jupiter's atmosphere, the pressure would build exponentially, crushing the remnants of our planet like an empty soda can. The intense pressure and temperature would break down the very fabric of Earth, atom by atom, until nothing remained but a smattering of dispersed elements. Earth's final curtain call would be a silent affair, its death throes swallowed by the immensity of Jupiter. In the aftermath of this cosmic cataclysm, our solar system would bear the scars of Jupiter's insatiable appetite. The asteroid belt, that ring of rocky debris between Mars and Jupiter, would be thrown into disarray as Jupiter's gravitational influence ripples through the solar system. Some asteroids knocked from their stable orbits might find themselves on a collision course with other planets, including Mars, Venus, and Mercury. These planetary siblings, once witnesses to Earth's demise, would now face an uncertain future, their own orbits potentially destabilized by the new gravitational dynamics of the solar system. Jupiter itself, now slightly more massive due to its consumption of Earth, would bear a faint scar, a subtle swirl in its atmosphere. The Sun, our star, would continue to shine, oblivious to the cosmic drama that had unfolded around it. The hypothetical scenario of Jupiter swallowing Earth, though unsettling, serves as a stark reminder of our place in the universe. We are but a small planet orbiting an average star in a galaxy teeming with billions of other stars, each with its own planetary systems. The universe is vast, ancient, and indifferent to our existence. Yet, this cosmic perspective should not fill us with despair but rather inspire awe and wonder. The fact that we exist at all, that life arose on this tiny planet amidst the vastness of space, is a testament to the universe's boundless capacity for complexity and beauty. We are a part of this universe, connected to it in ways we are only beginning to understand. Let us continue to explore, to learn, and to expand our understanding of the cosmos.